watching Rev It Up 7 with these guys. Yeah!
What's up, guys? Today we have a Monster Jam video to show you. We just picked up the last of the, I think, 2017 Monster Jam trucks that we don't have yet at Walmart yesterday. And we got it, finally. The Carolina Crusher with the trophy truck body. Fun fact, this is the only Monster Jam truck to ever have this trophy truck casting. No other truck uses this casting except for this Carolina Crusher, which is awesome because that's actually the body style that Carolina Crusher has now. It's not just a pickup truck. It's more like Captain America with that trophy truck body. So I'm glad that they Mattel did this. Comes with a recrushable car, and yep, I'm just gonna get right into this. I'm gonna open it up. Perfect. Really nice looking truck. I like the glossy paint with the decals on this. It's really nice looking, new but retro at the same time. Carolina Crusher's been doing this forever. Gary Porter, the driver of Carolina Crusher. I like the red roll cage, the yellow wheels, and they just did a great job accenting, I think that's the word, the yellow and red body. Cool Carolina Crusher logo on the hood, and obviously on the sides, little Monster Jam logo in the corner there with the Hot Wheels logo on the rear fender. Reminds me of the old Blue Thunder Super Duty pickup truck with this little lip up here. I remember the Ford F-150 Super Duty Blue Thunder, the casting that did it right in like 2010 or maybe a little earlier than that. They had the actual I don't want to say body kit, but realistic. I'm going to just say body kit. The realistic top spoiler thing reminds me of that. Front end, sort of like Captain America with this grill. Actually, the grill's not like Captain America at all. Just the body slightly resembles Captain America, if you can imagine a shield back there. Honestly, not much to really go on about this truck. I think it is you can screw the body off of this one. I think. I'm trying to get into making custom Monster Jam trucks, and I think you can make customs if the body is on like this. You can tell if it's a long metal rod all the way down, if it's not a screw, but this one you can actually screw the body off. Got the BKT tires. The yellow rims are look like they're completely flat with the flashlight on my phone, but no, they are like every other Monster Jam truck. Not else much to say. The yellow crushable car is pretty cool. I like these. It'd be better if they gave a little more. I mean, under the weight of the truck, they don't crush. Be cool if they were made a little bit thinner rubber, or just rubber compound that was a little more malleable. But these, malleable I think is the word. These are still awesome. I really like this series, and I can actually use these in videos because they absorb some of the impact from the truck lines on them, so they could act sort of as crush cars. But yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Monster Jam Hot Wheels videos and track videos and race videos. Bye.